Good morning class. Today I want to describe about real number for class 10th. I want to describe exercise 1.2 question number 3. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. I want to describe about HCF by the factorization method. You can find HCF by two methods. First, division method and second, factorization method. Today I want to describe HCF by factorization method. You can ask question, what is factorization method? Factorization method is very easy. You factorize given number and then choose HCF. Factorize first number and second number and third number. Write factor of first number and factor of second number and factor of third number, so on. In this way you can find HCF of many numbers. Clear? And then you choose which number is common all. Which number is common in all, which is your HCF. In this way you can find HCF of many numbers. Clear? HCF is clear, no confusion. It is very easy. Concentrate your mind and listen my words and see the board. Clear? Real number exercise 1.2 question 3. Find LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Question is clear? You find HCF by applying factorization method. Clear? First question 12, 15 and 21. Second 17, 23 and 29. Third 8, 9 and 25. Clear? Solution first. Factorize 12. Factorize 12. It means you divide 12 by 2. You find 6. Now you divide 6 by 2. You find 3. Then you divide 3 by 3. You find 1. Clear? It is factor of 12. Now factorize 15. 15 divided by 3. 3 5 is 15. You find 5. 5 divided by 5. You find 1. It is factorization of 15. Now factorize 21. 21 divided by 3. 3 7 is 21. You find 7. 7 divided by 7. You find 1. It is factor of 7. Clear? You write 12 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. And then write 15 equal to 1 multiply 3 multiply 5. And then write 21 equal to 1 multiply 3 multiply 7. Now you see which number is common in all. Here 1 is common in all. 1 is common in all. So your answer is 1. And here 3 is common. So you write multiply 3. It means your HCF is 1 multiply 3 equal to 3. 3 is your HCF because 1 and 3 is common in all lines. Clear? No confusion? Very good. See second question. Here factorize 17. 17 divided by 17 you find 1. It is factor of 7 because 7 is a prime number. So you can divide it by itself. Next divide 23 by 23. 23 1 is 23. You find 1. 23 is a prime factor, so you cannot divide it by any number. You can divide only itself. Divide 29 by 29. 29 is a prime factor, so you cannot divide it by any other number. You can divide it by only 29. 29 is 29. It is factor of 29. Now you write all numbers. 17 equal to 1 multiply 17. 23 equal to 1 multiply 23, 29 equal to 1 multiply 29. Choose a common number in all. Here 1 is common in all. 1 is common in all. So you write HCF equal to 1. Here your HCF is 1. Clear? No confusion. It is very easy. Finding of HCF is very easy. Clear? Third question. 8 factorize 8. Firstly you divide 8 by 2. 2 4 ja 8. You find 4. 4 divided by 2. You find 2. 2 divided by 2. You find 1. It is factor of 8. Clear? Now factorize 9. 9 divided by 3. You find 3. 3 divided by 3. You find 1. Factor of 9 is 3 multiply 3. Clear? Now factorize 25. Divide 25 by 5. You find 5. And 5 divided by 5. You find 1. It is factor of 25. Now write all factors. 8 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 9 equal to 1 multiply 3 multiply 3. 25 equal to 1 multiply 5 multiply 5. Now you choose a common number which is in all. Here 1 is common in all. So your answer is 1. It means HCF equal to 1. Clear? No confusion. Finding of HCF and LCM is a fun. Finding of HCF and LCM is a fun. Clear? No confusion. Your solution is correct. No confusion. Very good. Okay.